Hello, hi, Jai Jagannath. This is Biswajit. Welcome to Siley Hover. This is our first episode, so we're really excited to begin. So, without taking much time, I would love to introduce my friend Sambit here. Yeah, Sambit, good to go.
थैंक यू विश्वजीत जय जगन्नाथ सांगवाने जो मैंने भी सुनुचो जो लोग भी सुन रहे हैं एंड दोज हु आर लिसनिंग टू दिस पॉडकास्ट हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द फर्स्ट एपिसोड of our channel Siley Hoper. So the topic we are going to talk about is life after college. So I know you are missing your college right now, especially the ones who passed out last year. Not passed out literally, like passed out from college last year. So let's talk about how it is, how this life is different from the college life, which I know everyone is going to miss this. So first of all, I would like to say, yeah, getting drunk. I'm really drunk now. So I'd like to start off from that topic. That yes, going in a hangover to college seems to be very easy. Like कोई भी दिन हो, मंडे से लेके फ्राइडे, इवन थर्सडे ट्यूसडे, कोई भी दिन आप उसके पहले दिन दारू पी के क्लास जाओ, you can easily sleep off, and it seems to be such a great experience that hangover doesn't really seem to annoy you. But in this case, in corporate sector, you can't really think of going to office while doing your 9 to 5 job in hangover. So the only day you can drink possibly is on Fridays. That's what mostly do. And the other striking feature that I really noticed is that, back in my college, everyone used to ask me, "Bhai, tu kitna high hai? How high are you?" And now when I meet colleagues or some friends out there, they will ask me, "What is your domain, bro? तू किस टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम करता है ब्रो? क्या क्या बोलता है, किस कंपनी में काम करता है, सैलरी कितना मिलता है?" I just don't know like how to answer those like so-called boring questions. So the next thing I really want to tell is, which I'm really missing out, is that I can't drink with my old buddies. ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଷ୍ଠୀ ଯୋଉ feeling ଟା ନା, ସେଇଟା କେବଳ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ହଷ୍ଟେଲର ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ଲକରେ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଓଲ୍ଡ ମଙ୍କ ଟା ପିଇବାରେ ହିଁ ଥାଏ। ଆଉ like however costly like wine, daru, whiskey, scotch, whatever you buy, it doesn't seem good if you don't have good companies out here to drink, and most of the times you would end up drinking with your colleagues. But yeah, I live with my close friend who is my roommate out here, so mostly I don't feel that, but again the group is again missing, which I miss the most. And the other thing which I can relate to is that most of the friends, like most of the guys out here, might not be getting into the dream job, especially the ones they thought of going into and working. So it's just a bit of adjustment with our realities and expectations. And yeah, at times doing the things that you really don't love to do sucks. But again, somehow you have to accept and move on with it. Along with that, you have also seen the responsibility growing. The the pocket money that you used to get in the whole month that you might be earning in a day or two. So with you're earning a lot of money, along with that, you have to live with your own, buy your own groceries, wash your own clothes, live in your own apartment, take care of your expenses in the household. So that's again, the responsibility has been growing. Next thing which really seems to be which I'm missing is yes, compared to those two popular figures in those two fields, my professors and my managers. देखो प्रोफेसर अपना कितना भी खड़ूस लगे, लेकिन मैनेजर से बड़ा चूतिया नहीं है। चलता है, मतलब आई कैन रियली मैनेज माई प्रोफेसर राइट नाउ, लेकिन मैनेजर से बड़ा अपना चूतिया नहीं हो सकता। ठीक है। And yes, of course, with professors, the assignments, we really don't have assignments right now to complete or study for exams, the all-nighters that we used to pull. That seemed to be a heinous crime at that time while studying and giving assignments to professors. But again, while coming to this life, completing the targets of our clients, obeying to the orders of our managers, the targets you have to fulfill, again, that seems to be again so much of a boring, and it really sucks actually. But again, to all this, there's always a silver lining. With the weekends that I get free time, I get to travel a lot. I do bloggings and all, along with I make travel videos. So you get a freedom. So you got to try different things. You got to meet a lot of people. You grow up. So that's what part of growing up is. So somehow or the other, I have thought of managing my life, coming out of those things which I really miss, and again to the things which I really can do to make myself happy. So that's a little bit of things that I have thought of. And now I would like to invite my friend Siddharth Samat.
Yeah, guys, like I would like to start off like comparing both my lives, like how a particular day went when I was in college and how a particular day goes right now. So starting with college, you will like wake up late and you don't have breakfast and run to class. Like eventually you end up in the class, but you're late and professor like screams and all, but then they're friends and you hang up in the back benches and you enjoy, right? But then again you come back to the hostel and have lunch and get running again for the labs. And that's the interesting part because you can afford to miss the classes, theory classes, but you can't afford to miss the labs because like labs are like it takes like in a week you get it once or twice, so it doesn't make sense to miss those because then professor will definitely punish you. So yeah,
Backlog.
you're pretty like acquainted with that, right, Biswa?
Great back.
Great back.
Okay, then let not go to grad backs because like I have a like pretty bad history with grad backs.
Almost
And
with everyone, I guess.
Everyone.
Uh, okay, so that's
okay,
continue.
so after labs you come to like it's around evening time, you have some snacks and then you go out and play your favorite sports, or you go for a swimming or go for a ride and something like that, and then you come back and chill with your friends and have dinner. And it doesn't matter if you have assignments or not, at the end you'll like end up playing 4 5 PUBG matches or like end up watching movies with your friends or doing some other shit, right? And then you'll be so exhausted and you'll go back to sleep. And before you know, 4 years will pass like anything, like a snap of your finger. Like after that phase, like reality will like hit you in the face. Like when you come to the job, you have to like wake up in a proper time, then have breakfast, because if you skip breakfast, right, you will be surely exhausted after 2 3 hours, because working really does take a lot of toll on your mental fitness, right? So you have to have your breakfast, you have to be healthy to work, and then you go to office and then continuously work till evening. And then while you come back from the office, you get stuck in the traffic, and like it's like real shit, man. You come back and like the time you get free, you get freshen up and you decide to do something, then you need to have dinner, right? So you have to cook food for yourself, then it takes about one and a half hour more, and then you'll have dinner, and before you know, you'll be exhausted and you'll be in a bed scrolling through your mobile, and then you don't know, you will sleep or like you'll just go to bed, right? So
So
this
yeah,
is the like thing.
the struggle is real.
Yeah, it's real. So yeah, like uh, those guys who are in college, they don't realize it, but definitely 4 years were like those are the best days of my life. I like.
So I want to ask, do you really like miss college days?
Yeah, like if I ask anybody right now to like trade anything to go back to college, I think anyone would do that, right? They would trade
Yeah.
anything.
Samit, what about you?
I would do anything.
How?
I would do anything. I would give away all my scotch present in my room to anybody to go back to my college and drink Old Monk. भाई मेरा ऑफिस अभी
Definitely.
105 पर तारा जितना भी है ले ले, लेकिन मेरे को अपने दोस्तों के साथ
I,
ओल्ड मॉन्क पीना है.
Ambit, let's start
True,
from
true.
that.
Yeah.
Like in the name of giving exposure to the students, let's switch places for them with them for 6 months. Like we'll be going and having our deliveries and doing
Yeah,
stuff,
yeah,
developing.
yeah. Got it.
How's that?
I think it's a great idea.
That's good. Yeah, good.
And another thing I would definitely like to tell is like I miss the college sports, man. Like you can't have a better bonding with like your teammates. The bonding that's like above anything. You like the
Correct.
friendship, the gangs. I mean, I'm speechless, man. I can't express it in words. You got a
Like in corporate, it's so much competition out here. In college, we used to be like buddies,
you're a free soul, and
so different.
yeah, man. I really, really miss those days, man.
ହଁ ମାନେ STSC ଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିକି DTS ର field, no whatever you say, every ground has its memory of
Yeah,
its own.
yeah. From MSS to Kanishk and
ସେଇଟା ହୁଏ ଆଉ. For
Those
lucky guys,
moments.
you might be like hunting all around throughout the year, but as like ମୁଁ ତ ଭାଇ single ଥିଲି ଆଉ.
And
Hmm.
canteen food, man. I
Yeah.
back then I used to think that those are really shitty food, but now I miss them.
So I recently read something about it's a concept called familiar dick. Okay.
Okay.
So as the name suggests, it means that when you get attached to something, you also get attached to those bad things, get used to it. So see, college life was not that easy as well. So it was really difficult with the assignments, those writing those stupid lab records, those things. But after a point, you get used to those things. So see, why I really miss those days is I miss the good times I spent with my friends. So
Exactly. Whatever happens, you would have a group of friends to like ease off your mood, right?
see,
At any
yeah,
given day.
even if the life was somehow city there, so you had that you got used to it, so you knew how it was going to happen. You had like you knew how to deal with that life. So suddenly after life, there was so much anxiety, like uncertainty about how this corporate life is going to be. Those things. So
Exactly, Viso. I
yeah,
can completely relate to you what you can say exactly. Like, starting from morning, you have to go to work. As I said, you have to take your own responsibility and having less friends from your close circle and making up, almost we are around living a social life which is trying to be almost that fake as it can be because you have to be nice to people, your boss, your manager, your colleagues, and all. So, yes, the struggle is real, starting from the traffic to doing that 9-hour job. From that, somewhere or the other, we have to learn to live on.
One more thing, like in college, you'd be considered as lucky if you have a friend or someone who could give proxy attendance for you, right?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Corporate, in corporate, if you are really, really lucky if you have got a really good manager, right? Am I
Uh,
right?
Correct.
is the
And
biometric system sucks.
Definitely.
uh, and I remember I used to give around 13 to 14 proxies in a class, and me being the fear of my class, I used to give that. अभी खुद का पड़ जाता है जाके सुबह 9 बजे.
In the I remember in the last semester I filled like almost every branch those placement leave form they share na in the group.
Yeah,
So I remember filling even mechanical architecture those leave forms I filled just to bunk the classes.
yeah.
but I think
So yeah, I really
when you had like given continuous proxy attendance for 5 continuous roll numbers, that
no.
and it was pretty damn exciting, man. The professor like didn't even look up.
Okay, that is a legendary level then.
Yeah, like you have to make your voice modulation and then shit. Another thing also, corporate life gives you a sense of like you know it teaches you a lot more things about life. Like everything is not as straight,
Disciplined life.
everything is not black and white, right?
Yeah, correct.
So you have to learn that kind of thing, and yeah, definitely you'll grow. But college is college, man.
Yeah, I would like to add that yes, in college
You'll
we
have
were
your
living, now we are surviving. So, what do you say, Biswajit? You want to add some ideas on this thing?
that was the most honest
Yes.
answer, I think. Living and surviving, yeah. Pretty much similar for me as well. So yeah, of course, financial independence is a huge thing. Like before, like in college days, for everything we had to buy or every trip we had to go. अरे घर में पैसा दे दो, मम्मी पैसा दे दो, ये दे दो, वो दे दो. Like, but the things have changed, right? We have the independence to buy anything we want, like anything in our capacity, any places we like to visit. So yeah, I really enjoy that freedom.
Since we are
At the same,
middle class background, so it really does matter a lot for us, right?
yes, exactly. So it's a huge
Yes.
upgrade. That social ladder.
Yes.
So in that way, yeah, it has changed a lot. Life-wise, I think college life was much like it was
You were more happy,
more happy and free. Like free in the real sense, free.
yeah, like in the Song
So
Redemption.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, like Samvit, like, can you just tell me like what are 2-3 mischievous moments of your college life? Man? Like, I'd really
Mischievous
like.
moments. Okay. Mischievous moments. It started from
The dark things ahead.
dark thing side. The mischievous things was
If you want parental advisory disclaimer played out, then we can.
okay. I would like to give a feminism disclaimer because I ran into a girl's washroom in the one of the initial days of my school as a
Oh
challenge to
boy.
my friend. Okay, so
Oh
not a
boy.
parental
Isn't
disclaimer, not a feminist disclaimer. I know what's going on all around here. So that was the one thing, and again, that I said, mischievous things. What else? Like abhi, like every day we used to like every weekend, me and my friends used to party and all. We used to get a notice written all over the notice board of our hall that these people have made the hostel an open bar, and that used to be written in a yellow paper. So just to highlight that how we are making the hostel an open bar, and the customary thing is every time you get drunk with your friends, कोई ना कोई गार्ड के साथ आपका कुछ कांड होना ही मांगता है. So that is for sure. So and somewhere some guards are good and you get to negotiate with them. Okay, bhai, hey jivo चढ़ियो. But some are not that much of friendly with you and you have to do it. সেটা जो কোন কেসটা হবো মানে কেসটা তো হবা কথা হবো. So definitely কেসটা হবা କଥା ହବ. ଆଉ କଣ ଏତେ ସବୁ କାଣ୍ଡ କଲା ପରେ ବି randomly ବି କରିବାର ଅଛି. So back in college there are pretty much dark with you said dark things are coming, so let's go to dark places. Yes,
Places.
so with dark places comes around your responsibility to do things. So mischievous in a way or kya? So Biswajit, like what is your most memorable moment in NITR?
यार हम सब ने ड्यूटी किया है यार.
नाइट ड्यूटी. कोई केएमएस को गया है, कोई सीवीआर को गया है.
बस लेकिन ड्यूटी किया है.
हाँ, ड्यूटी किया. कोई दोनों जगह को गया है क्या? नहीं गया.
You never know, bro.
We never know. Okay. And Samal, like with your friend circle, whatever the time you have spent, so can you tell me just about a friend who is whom you are missing the most? Just name him and tell him what are the qualities or what are the things you have done with him and you're missing him the most.
Like I won't tell a single person because there are a lot of good friends of mine, and I miss all of them. Like especially my friends with whom I used to have like how the hostel food is, right? So every night when I get fed up, like me and my friends would like order chili chicken and lachha paratha from our and bring the food in his bike and it come to our hostel back gate, and give it to us, right?
Okay.
And
Yeah, man. Those were the days, man.
yeah, definitely some of the best days, best nights, in fact.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. So Biswa, you tell me what I was thinking. So while going into college, so I want to ask two of you each one question. So one question is the first time when you got drunk in college, and Samal, I want to ask you when you smoked up, not smoke cigarette, smoked up for the first time.
Okay.
So
So
I
yes,
want Biswajit to
I'll
answer
go
first. Yeah,
first.
Biswajit, tell me.
So the first time we went out, actually, it was with Siddharth and Amlan and Chandan, our Mitro, right?
Yeah.
So you went to Standard in Sector 2. So while returning, we have wine shop, right,
Yes.
in Sector 2.
Okay.
So we stopped there, and I told them that let's buy a beer tonight. And all of them were like, no, 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 we don't drink, we will not drink. And they started making the silly excuses. But after like convincing them so hard, it took me like 15-20 minutes. So after that, we bought like, I think 2 beers, Samal, if I'm not wrong.
No, one beer and one breezer, I guess.
So,
Okay.
so who was the girl in the group who started with the breezer?
Obviously, Chandan.
Okay.
So I have started drinking beer before NIT. Like I was in CET for 1 year, so I have started drinking there. It was like first time for I guess Samuel and Omlan and Mohesh.
Yeah.
So when they first tried that beer, I think they almost vomited. I think they almost puked. Like, what is this thing? Whack, whack. Those expressions. Like I had to drink that whole
and
beer. And
and then
and
4 days later,
and
that
and
same guy used to chug out whole bottle of beer, right?
and you won't believe, Sambit, after a month I was unable to compete with them.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, it started like that way on a very silly note, and after that it was like a thing for every, like almost every weekend it was a thing.
Okay. And Samal, coming to your
What
experience.
about you, Samal?
Yeah, coming to your experience of smoking up.
Switch to a different question, I guess.
No. What else, my friend?
What's next?
What's next? So, any of you, like two of you, Biswajit and Samal. So, I would ask Biswajit, like anything from your heart out, like from the deepest corner of your heart. You want to say something about this
what?
thing, whatever the discussion about the topic, like from the deepest corner of your heart, whatever your heart says, I want you to say it right now.
Man, I have a glass of scotch and my two of my closest friends with me. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this. And what can I say? Yeah.
I would say if I had the choice, then I would spend 6 months in corporate, 6 months in college, any given day.
Definitely, man.
Okay, 6 months.
Siddharth,
So you
after
have
the
to.
lockdown ends, come to Bangalore, man. We'll sit and have a session. Sambit is
Definitely.
here. I'm here. We miss you, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay, since you have come to the topic of Bangalore and you know the traffic, thing of Bangalore, how it was before, especially this lockdown. And relating to this topic, which I really want to add on this Bangalore thing and the traffic is that, especially most of you have got stuck in traffic, and especially if you're in Bangalore and you know that it's a milestone to cross that Marathali Bridge. And while stuck in that traffic, what happens is I have seen, because I have felt that while stuck in traffic, because you're returning mostly from the like your office or you're like going to your work, you feel, what am I actually doing in this life? Or am I supposed to stand this 90 or 100 or 5 minutes or around 15 to 20 minutes in this traffic? So for that, I wrote something long back and it's still imprinted in my mind. So I want to share it to everyone.
I think everyone listening to this
Yes.
will relate, especially those who are in Bangalore right now.
So,
really
if you are
fast.
passionate about something and if you are trying to get away from this life and trying to do something, then exactly you relate this. So अर्ज किया है, इस आबादी में भी जान भारी है, इस आबादी में भी
वाह,
जान
वाह.
भारी है, ट्रैफिक और सपनों में तकरार जारी है. So these two
Arre
simple
वाह,
lines. So if you can relate everyone, I would really appreciate. So that's what. Yes.
Really
So
nice.
that's what, when you're in traffic and you get that inner fight between you, what you're actually doing and what you should be doing. So that's the moment I realized I got that thing. Yeah, I should be doing that. But still, it's a long way to go. And
Like talking about that struggle, right? Somewhere, like I remember one of your right. You said once, right? हल्की फुल्की सी है जिंदगी ख्वाब बोझ तो बस
exactly,
ख्वाहिशों का
yes,
है, right?
Correct.
And I still remember that quotes. Like it really fits in everywhere.
I think coming from Rourkela to Bangalore was a huge shift. Like Rourkela was a small city with some like below 5 lakhs people, and it's really peaceful, and there is
Yeah.
almost no traffic there.
Yeah.
And the scenes are like really opposite here, and it can be really difficult on your like
exactly.
some day
So
it's
before,
really
हाँ,
tough
before
to.
coming out to Bangalore, मेरे को सिर्फ एक ही जाम पता था, किसान मिक्स फ्रूट जाम. अभी
uh,
पता है, अभी पता है ट्रैफिक जाम भी होता है.
That's a lame uncle joke,
Okay, I know,
Sambit.
but still works.
Yeah.
But like you should really come to Hyderabad, man. Like
Siddharth, how it's in Hyderabad? How is it different?
there is traffic, but I won't say it's like Bangalore. But there is traffic. But yeah,
Like, how's the
if you
weather and people there? Like,
yeah, weather is like since I joined 10 months back, weather has been good, pretty good, right? And it got really hot in this month only in May, but earlier it used to be like really nice. Not much of
Okay. So,
like
okay,
not much
from that
difference to
question, I would
Bangalore.
like to add a comment. Like, Bisosi, you and me, we both stay in Bangalore. We know that. Everywhere, every other city guy whom you
yeah.
talk to, if you're in Bangalore, you would ask the first question, "Bhai, मौसम कैसा है?" Because
Weather.
you know you would,
Correct. Because that's
yeah,
a plus
exactly.
point, na? That's a
Despite
plus
knowing that
point.
it takes around two,
And perhaps the
No,
only plus
exactly.
point.
Hyderabad is not that bad in terms of
Yeah.
weather. Like I used to think that it's very very bad, but it's quite nice, surprisingly. Yeah.
Okay.
So
So,
yeah, in Bangalore on the one side you have like difficult work life, traffic, and all those things in one side. On the other side you have cool, this must
hmm.
weather. It genuinely
Exactly.
helps.
And it would help the
Mm,
most if we add another transit flight from the Bangalore airport to the main city.
and
and
a
and
direct.
one more thing I have like senior citizens, kids in our streets, right? But it's pretty rare in Bangalore. Like I don't get to see kids much often on the streets or any senior citizens. Like it's pretty rare. And also
Mm,
in Rourkela you used to have those big parks and all. So yeah, there is no such concepts here in Bangalore. I think they have all made those big tech parks and they have taken over those parks, I think. Yeah, so yeah, that's a big difference I have like observed in Bangalore.
Yes.
So yeah,
yeah. Right. So there should be a right balance to our life
correct.
in terms of like fun and work and everything.
Exactly.
I think in college we used to have that kind of vibe which we don't have right now. But then and life goes on, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
What can't
Okay. So, okay, friends. So, I guess most of you have said what you really wanted to say. So, before you wind up this episode, I would like to ask each one of you to say much like a conclusive thing or the most heartfelt thing that you have felt from this discussion or a message to our listeners, anything. So, be brief about it and conclude your statement. So, I'd like to ask first Biswajit, followed by Siddharth Hamad. Yes, Biswajit.
For those who are in college right now, really enjoy your like to the best you can. And of course, you are in home right now for this quarantine. I hope it will get better with over the time and you will get back to college and have your one last thing in. It's okay. I'd like to tell my juniors to enjoy their life to fullest in the campus. The life is like very different from college and corporate. So you'll get used to it. Don't worry. So till then, just enjoy and yeah, have fun.
yeah, like for me this like same kind of thing. Like if you are in college, then make the most of out of it because these years won't come back. And like for me, if you ask me, if you give me a choice, then I'll definitely like to have like in the weekdays I would like to have I like to be in college, and in weekends I would like to be in the cities enjoying my life, right?
I'd
That's it.
like to add one more thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'd rather have Old Monk in MS Swaminathan hostel than Sibas
Yeah,
Regal in Bangalore.
Okay.
that
Yes.
definitely
So that's how much I miss my college days.
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah, up to you. Yeah,
definitely.
Samit.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Biswajit and Samal, to add to this again, so if two people are saying the same thing from my heart, it's also the same thing. So to all those who are listening, especially the ones who are still in college, after this corona gets over, everything, when you will be back in college, try to be like, try to spend as much time as possible with your friends, get drunk, do whatever you want to. If the corona persists, then do it with social distancing. Okay. So that's what. And again, so that's the whole thing of it. So if you're in college, I guess you are lucky. So try to utilize the maximum time with your friends, enjoy, create memories rather than regretting that you didn't do it back in things when you should have done those things. So that's it. So let's wind up, friends. So we got Biswajit and Samal. I would like to thank you for joining us, and the audience, whoever is still listening to this end time. So really thank you for your time and listening to us. And Jai Jagannath, bye mane. Samal,
Jai
bye
Jagannath.
mane. Jai Jagannath. Biswajit, bye. Bye bye.
Yes,
ठीक
Jai
है.
Jagannath. And
Yes.
stay tuned for our upcoming episodes.
Yes. Stay high. Agora ଆମର tagline ଥିଲା Biswajit.
Stay tuned and stay high.
Yes, stay tuned and stay high and don't do TikTok. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.